Hi friends, my name is Dr.Bharath. Today's video, Nifty lifetime high 22,666. What should investors do now? Nifty had a good rally today and touched a new lifetime intraday high of 22,697. So the positive sentiment in the markets continue. For the last 6 months, Nifty has been on a general uptrend and has provided good profits for long-term and short-term investors. Nifty statistics, all-time closing high today 22,666, all-time intraday high 22,697. It was not a surprise rally today since US markets closed around 1% higher on Friday and Asian markets opened positively today morning. Many individual stocks touched their all-time high today. Reasons for the rally. Number 1, continuous buying by FIIs and DIIs. Both FIIs and DIIs have been net buyers in Indian stock markets in the last few months. Except for January 2024 when FIIs were net sellers, FIIs and DIIs have been continuously investing in Indian stock markets. This has pushed markets higher. In fact, FIIs had invested the highest amount in Indian markets in March 2024 compared to all other Asian markets. I have given the summary of FIIs and DIIs investment in the last 5 months. You can see in January there was a sale of 26,111 crores by FIIs. Otherwise, FIIs and DIIs have been continuously investing every month in Indian stock markets. I am not going to read all the figures, but you can pause and look at the table. Point number 2, huge rally in automobile stocks. Most of the automobile stocks in the Nifty 50 index rallied significantly today since the automobile sales data in March showed that it was at a record high levels for cars and two-wheelers. Automobile stocks movement today. Maruti Suzuki 3.57% up, Mahindra 3.22% up, Eicher Motors 4.33% up, Tata Motors 0.61% up, Hero MotoCorp 1.55% up. Point number 3, technical indicators not yet in overbought zone. We had mentioned in some videos in the last few weeks that markets could keep touching new lifetime highs since there seems to be no major negative news as of now. It will be interesting to see if this rally can sustain up to election results and also after that. Although the Nifty 50 index seems to be at a high level when you just observe it, since it has appreciated well over the last few weeks, the RSI is still at 66 and hence the stock or index is considered overbought zone only when the RSI is above 70. There is still quite a good chance that Nifty can go higher before any major correction. In fact, the RSI level of Nifty 50 index in December 2023 was above 80, but still Nifty managed to rally well after that. So the rally will depend on the election results and how good is the margin of victory. If it is better than expectations, then Nifty could rally further. Otherwise, some temporary correction is possible. We have been receiving many questions in our YouTube comment section in the last 2 days on whether we can invest in stock markets now since markets are at lifetime high, or should we wait for some correction and then start. Many investors must be watching the TV news where experts must be informing them to stop investing until market falls. However, our suggestion is very simple and straightforward. Your investment approach need not change just because of the market level. If you are a long-term investor, the following is a suggestion. If you invest in stocks, mutual funds every month as SEP or SIP, then you need to continuously invest regularly every month irrespective of the market level. Your purchase cost will get averaged out because you will buy at high level and also buy at the lower level at some other time. So there is no right time to invest, just invest regularly at all times for a minimum of 10 years, and of course you need to invest in good stocks and you need to monitor them regularly. B, if you want to invest a lump sum amount of rupees 1 to 2 lakhs or more, you can decide to invest in phases over the next 2 to 5 months depending on the amount. If the amount is small, then you need not spread it over many months. If the amount is slightly larger, then spread it over few months. As a long-term investor, your minimum holding period should be 10 years with monitoring of fundamentals of companies once in 3 months. For long-term, time in the market is more important than timing. It means that you need to invest as early as possible and invest for as long as possible to take maximum benefit of the power of compounding. Point number 2, this is for short-term investors. Many individual stocks have already rallied well in the last few days. You can consider buying stocks in just buy or buy zones for short term. If you have already invested for short term, you would be in good profits currently. Just follow the graph and sell whenever the sell indication arises. Do not feel that fear of missing out if you have not invested sufficiently for long term or short term. Please note that at some point there will be a correction. Markets do not move one way for very long periods. So if you like this video, please click the like button and share this video with all your friends. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have been investing regularly without breaking, then you type regularly in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.